You're ambitious. You want money, freedom, and a life without financial stress. You know exactly what you should be doing: investing, saving, building skills, but you don't do it. And slowly, guilt turns into acceptance. Every year, you set the same financial goals. Next year, I'll start investing. This year, I'll save money. I'll build a side income. You start strong, but procrastination creeps in, and before you know it, you label yourself as bad with money. The internet tells you to delete apps, avoid distractions, stop spending. These fix symptoms, not the real problem. Don't feel like working on your money? Tell yourself, I'll do it for 2 minutes. Read one finance article. Open your investment app. Track one expense. Most of the time, you won't stop at 2 minutes, because once money habits are in motion, they stay in motion. Starting is uphill. Momentum is downhill. You can use this for investing, saving money, paying off debt, building a side hustle, learning high-income skills. You don't need motivation. You need momentum. As Martin Luther King once said, you don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step.